with the stretcher, it should be packed appropriately so it's ready to go. It's important that the buckles are done up so that if you have to use it as a quick grab stretcher and simply unroll it, roll a casualty onto it and get the casualty to safety, it can be done without all the straps dangling all over the floor and getting entangled in your feet and everything else that's around. So you back your straps off, put your shoulder strap underneath your head restraint, sides, and lay to the top of the stretcher. Open all your other straps up, undo your lower foot retaining straps, which are also your closing straps. This one is going to roll up slightly bigger than the standard MIBS because this one still has a skid sheet attached to it. Makes it just about 1.5 inches, 60 mm bigger in diameter than one without. Start at the head end, you tuck in your shoulder strap and your head restraint and you roll from this end. Pulling your handles out and your buckles out. When you get to this end, simply put your knee on one end of the overlap and bring the first strap around the back of the stretcher into the buckle. And your second strap around the stretcher and into the buckle. And that is your stretcher packed up, ready for the next time you're going to use it. For cleaning, we recommend hot soapy water and a cold water jet wash. If you need to get rid of any blood or infection probes, a mild solution of Virkon into a plastic dustbin and unroll it and then wash it off with hot soapy water and jet wash it.